Okay, so we are taking a look here at everything that's going on in the garden. I know I have tried to space these out a little bit better, and in that way you can actually see some of the progress. The sorrel looking a little down right now. It does need a little bit of water. I'm going to get to that in a minute. But I do want to go ahead and show you an onion flower. It bolted, but this particular onion has actually split into four. It's bifurcated twice, and that is a pretty neat thing. The broccoli is coming along. The sunflowers are starting to get good and high, and I do want that. I do want to see some thickening of those stalks. I'll be happier. The lemongrass, of course, trucking along like nothing. Banana tree coming along nicely. I did add a little bit of red clay into the top of the soil as the rain goes ahead and allows some of that to filter down. We are going to add a little bit more mineral into the soil itself. And then also I am doing a little experiment right here because of the way these ants are taking over my hibiscus leaf. The flowers themselves, I think they're drinking the nectar, going for a good food source. I did put some taro in there and some borax, and we'll see how that goes. I do have a new little tomato plant that was gifted to me, because that's the kind of gift I get nowadays. It's like plants and herbs and seeds, and that's fine, but this is just a little pot garden, so I have to kind of keep it within reason, within the space that I have. This is a small little apartment. Everything else seems to be doing well, and I'm really happy about that. That is actually a chive. That's one big old sword-like chive. My accidental potatoes, again, I am thankful it's down to one bucket this time, instead of being spread out across three. So the beets, they're starting to really move along, and I'm really happy about that, because I really can't wait to go ahead and have some. It is interesting to me, because that plant being entirely edible, it's one of the things I love about doing this, and it is really super fun when you can go ahead and just come out, grab what you need, and really enjoy it. Sage, look, after I trimmed it down, look at some of the old videos. It has never been as beautiful as it is right now. And I just think by careful pruning, I can keep that going. Anybody have any suggestions, questions, comments, please go ahead and leave them. Give me a like and subscribe. It really does help me out and move forward with everything that I'm trying to do. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Have a good day.